Okay, ladies and gents, this is our second and last lesson for the week. Two biggish lessons, and I know it's a lot to take in. And today we're gonna... Oh, shalom lecha, shalom חבר טוב. פרופסור פופיק, מה העניינים? הרבה זמן לא ראיתי אותך. כל כך יפה, ככה אתה עכשיו בדרום אפריקה. איך הגעת? קורונה, איך נסעת? Sorry guys, this is a good old friend. Hello, say hi to Professor Pupik. כן, זה התלמידים שלי. Sorry, he doesn't really speak Hebrew. He only speaks, he doesn't speak English, he speaks Hebrew. And he came to visit all the way from Israel. I can't believe how he went through, lockdown. באמת? ובישראל עכשיו זה, אוקיי, אז אולי גם פה זה יגיע עוד מעט. He's telling us that in Israel is out of lockdown and things are getting normal, and they were very similar to us. I'm hoping that we're going to get that way as well. But anyway, Professor Pupik is a very good old friend of mine, so אני עכשיו מלמד בדיוק חומצה ובסיס. אתה רוצה להגלה? כן? כן, אנחנו עושים עכשיו סודיום קרבונט ואסיד. ילדים פחמן דו-חמצני, כן? Yeah, he's just interested about what we're doing. He's a scientist, so he likes all that kind of stuff. And he's just gonna chill out here, and I'll chill out with you later, okay? Just put him there. Say goodbye to Professor Pupik. Bye-bye. Okay, so, yes, we are doing our second neutralization reaction, this time between acid again, but our base, our alkali, our base is not going to be a metal hydroxide or metal oxide. It's going to be a metal carbonate. Carbonate is another ion that we came across when we learned the iron, is CO3, carbon and 3 oxygen. Okay, so shall we do that? Yeah, hang on, I'm just going to bring the universal indicator. Oh, hang on, don't go. Okay, so universal indicator into the acid. Is it really acid? Oh, lovely red. So we've got a nice little red color here. Hydrochloric acid again. All right, Professor Pupik, do you mind looking after that? Toda rabba. And, yes, no, I need this one as well. You'll see why in a second. Okay, so we're going to add the sodium carbonate, and we're expecting it to be another neutralization reaction, which it is. Okay, so hopefully that red color will eventually turn green. And if we go overboard, it might even go to blue. Okay? But as you can see, there's another cool thing that we've got here. So you can definitely see it becoming green, but it was a lot of bubbles going on, eh? You see this beautiful bluish turquoise color, so it's definitely neutral, maybe a little bit on the base side, but there's also bubbles. We got a little bonus of bubbles going on here, okay? Some more bubbles, okay? What does it mean there's bubbles? Okay? Some gas is released, isn't it? Okay? Now we already we learned how to identify hydrogen. Okay? Remember, you did that squeaky pop test. Okay, it went boop. Okay? But now we're not getting hydrogen. We're getting another gas. And let's see what it does to a lit match. Okay? Hopefully you saw it. As soon as I put the lit match, extinguished. What gas extinguishes flame? Okay? Probably some of you know it's carbon dioxide. Oxygen reignite a flame, and we will do that, I think, next week. I don't think we'll do it this week. Hydrogen actually explodes. Carbon dioxide extinguish a flame. Okay? So we're getting carbon dioxide here. Okay? And we're getting the water that we got in the last experiment, in the last neutralization, and obviously the salt as well. So it's a very similar reaction to the last one, but we're getting the water, we're getting the salt, we're getting a bonus carbon dioxide. Okay, let's go back to the board.